Hi, my name is Chef Athan. We teach you how I make chalupas. First, we're going to need oil, garlic, and onion. First, we're going to heat up the oil, garlic, and onions. Once it's ready, we're going to put our ground beef. Now it's ready. We're going to add the ground beef. Make sure you add salt and pepper to your meat. Now our ground meat is ready. We're gonna add some taco seasoning. We're gonna add 2/3 water. While our meat cooks, we're going to cut some tomato. Guys, it smells so delicious. Now we're going to make the chalupas. This is the shell we're going to use, and this is for my chalupa. Let's get the shells ready. We're going to put some ground beef on the chalupas. To my chalupas. Now we're going to bake the chalupas. Now we're going to bake the chalupas. Now we're going to put it in for 10 minutes. Our chalupas is ready. We're getting some lettuce and tomato. You could put any sauce you want, but I like Taco Bell's. Guys, to let you know, I'm using hot sauce. Look, hot sauce. It's supposed to say the sauce, but we can't rep it, so we could get it out. Now we're going to taste it. Guys, if you actually make a chalupa, to let you know, it's good and delicious because we put all the ingredients and when it's cooked, it tastes so delicious.
Okay guys, well, you saw that in the last video that I was eating a pizza. Listen. Awesome chef, that thing's so delicious, I swear to God. Oh, my brother did, my little brother did. So, now he made a chalupa. So, I eat Taco Bell chalupas, but I never I eat my brother's chalupas. So let's give it a try. I gotta say that's delicious. Wow. I mean, I can't compare about with the other pizza, but this is insane. So thank you, little brother. And yeah, I'll continue this.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below which one is your favorite ingredient. And guys, stay safe at home. Make sure you stay home and stay safe. And thanks for watching, guys. And peace.